Because a very quick one. Obroni guarantee the newspaper review today. I got it everywhere. On a Vanguard, on a Punch, on a Daily. You know, ebe Akarachi State, Imo Sunday, Council Chairman. They be on a local government, that they should resign. How about Rokwagem? You know, the Bible say, the Beke say, he who goes to equity must go with clean hands. I able to join Akarachi State, Imo. Ma nyawa no nwiye obinimo aye buzo jo Akarachi State Imo gwa no nwe gi binimo ama me na aghota ibi no were he na government house na aghota ebe anyị na-eje because anyị na-ahụ no genu mgbe ọwụla piam frotum Abuja frotum Abuja frotum Abuja ibi no were you know ibi ho were so I got an order. I got flout. I got to yes, that order is proportionate to what? Not a mate to what? Because one, he's a mother emela, emequelie. He's a mother mewe, ne he's a mother erila, eriquelie. He's a mother riwe, ne. That is the law of nature. You know, that is the law of nature. So, a short message to the governor of Imo State. The local government chairman say that they should resign if they don't want to live in their local government. I'm not watching the yes, I watch it because the governor create which and dash psychopaths. Abela Hakole Asher say, Excellency, Emanandi Chairmen, Ndemere councillors, most of them be Chowere, most of them safe be Lagos, most of them be safe in Abuja. Do something. Manahagaha governor is Yokoshi governor. Go on Wiggy, Nanaha no where they go on and win Nanahan on Imo State. You do something no wiggy. Do Agaha Boyanka, Manahagana Korea Shirin Dozo. Manahaga hakro governor shiro kweshireno wukwana shirime storeano yawo ya fewlo trofem bawla Abuja trofem pam Abuja trofem pam Abuja trofem pam everything APC memre governor anyị ga-aga everything monye wu APC meme ihe monye na wu APC meme ihe as far as outside Imo State governor anyị ga-aga ya onweghị problem with that onye mmemme ebe ọwụla emewere ihe emewe na Anambra ọ ga-aga eme na Enugu steeti da na akwụkwọ party ya nke a Tinubu ga-abịakwa na May 23 na-abịa ọ ga-aga ebe ọwụla akpọrọ krorom piam gọvanọ anyị amapụla so i nweghị the moral right ịgwa ndị local government chairman to resign if they are not going to stay in their live in their various local governments gọvanọ ka ịgwa gị isiokwu i nweghị that moral right. In when they can constitutional right. And when I go and make constitution, because I daga the iwu. Oh yes, I daga the iwu. So you have the moral right. It's in the local government chairman relocate to their various local government councils. Hamege himege. Ihe onye isi mege ka hamege. Onye isi bi Abuja habi owere. Is it not even better na habi owere karịa na hajire biri Abuja? I'm just saying. Onye isi bi Abuja. Onye isi na Abuja 24 hours onye isi na Abuja. Owe nwe mmemme ga-eme n'Imo piam ya wee ga eme ha na pam helicopter na steam helicopter ga steam 3 hours steam 4 hours na-echere onye isi ka me emechara na piam onye isi awela na helicopter o wela na jet vom Abuja soy my tama ama mi na go ebe anyị na-eje so governor anyị nwe the moral right at all ịgwa ndị local government chairman resign if they don't want to stay in their local government. Go and wegi bruzo resign You resign hana now. They will follow you. Awi hem mo sem gwaga no totwa. They would